This is the most typical layout in many ice plants. Two machines share the same ice packing hopper. Each machine is located above one steel frame. This is the steel frame. The machine is located above the steel frame, so the machine's ice outlet is higher than the ice packing hopper. These are the two machines' ice outlets. They are higher than the ice packing hopper, and this is the ice packing hopper is located in the middle of these two machines. Ice falls into the hopper, and this is the ice packing area. The worker open on the screw conveyor by pressing this foot switch. Okay, this is the ice packing area. Let's check the quality of ice cubes made by machine number 1. Ice is 100% transparent, crystal clear. The ice holes are very small. Okay, now we can see the ice is coming out from the machine number 2.